Hello everybody. So you're a grade 12 student, but till now you don't know how to distinguish between even and odd functions. That's why I'm here to help you. Here you should, in order to know if the function is even or odd, you should only look on the y-axis and the O. So if the function is symmetric with respect to y-axis, then it will be an even function. What do you mean by symmetric? If the point on the left side, you can take it to symmetry on the y-axis and it's the same on the next side, then it's an even function, same as in the first function. However, as you see in the second function, the y-axis isn't the center of symmetry. If you take a point on the left to the right, you will not see it. However, if we draw a line on O, the O is the center of symmetry of this function. That's why this function will be called an odd function. If we look at this function, if we draw the y-axis line, there is no symmetry right there. If we take a point and take it by symmetry to the left, to the right side, it's not symmetry. And same if we take at O. This function is not symmetric by y and it's not symmetric by O. Then it's neither even nor odd. In the last functions, as you see, there is symmetric on the y-axis. If we take a point on the y on the left and take it to the right, if we see there is a symmetry, then it's even function. That's what we saw is by graph. However, if we want to see it by function, we should find the f of minus x of the function. And if the answer was f of x, then it's an even function. However, if the answer was minus f of x, it will be an odd function. Our first function is x power 2 plus 4. If we take the f of minus x of x power 2 plus 4, of course, as you know, the minus will become by the power 2, then it will be x power 2 plus 4, which is equal to the f of x. Then it's an even function. However, in the second one, it's x power 3 plus x. If we find it's f of minus x, as you know, the power 3 and the power 1 will not take the minus, then it will stay minus x power 3 and minus x, which is equal to the minus f of x. So if we multiply the function by minus, it will be minus x power 3 minus x, which shows that it's an odd function. However, in the last function, it's x plus 4. Also, we should find its f of minus x. When we find the f of minus x, it will be minus x plus 4. It's neither the f of x and neither f of x multiplied by minus, because the 4 is remained plus. Then here it's not even and not odd, so it's neither even nor odd. Comment below if you have